Hey guys, how's it going? It is Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and once again I am back in the kitchen, and today we are doing another unboxing. Today we're doing an unboxing for the PlayStation 4 exclusive Horizon Zero Dawn Complete Edition. Now, those of you guys that follow the channel know that I'm a massive advocate of Amazon, the Amazon Prime, Amazon Visa card, and this is one of those things that was very lucky. It was on sale, so I got it for $24.99, something along those lines. But the best part was with having the Amazon Visa card, and Christmas time just passed, I didn't pay a dime for this thing. I actually got it for free. It took a little time for it to arrive. I meant to go ahead and do the unboxing the moment I got it. Life happened. I haven't been able to even sit down and open it for myself. I want to make sure I filmed it for you guys, so we'll go ahead. It is an older game. This isn't a brand new game, but I did want to go ahead and share the unboxing. There's probably people out there, what does a complete edition come with? Is it worth it? Is it worth the investment? The fact that it comes with all of the DLC, which is still more than what I paid for the game, it's worth it in my opinion, so I'm going to leave it at that as not a review, but we'll go ahead and get to it. Before we get started, guys, as always, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. I appreciate you liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Please feel free to reach out to me with any ideas you guys have for upcoming videos, unboxings, things like that you'd like to see. I'll do everything in my power to see what I can do to make it happen. As always, you can reach out to me via the YouTube channel. I try to respond as fast as I can unless I am working. I do have a day job. You can reach out to me on Jesse L. Falto on Facebook, Mdevlspawn01 on Instagram, and you can also reach out to me at Mdevlspawn@gmail.com. All right, let's go ahead, guys. Let's get to it. Get to the unboxing. Alright, so here we go. We've got the cover. PS4 lets you know it's only on PlayStation, which is very, very true. We've got the Horizon Zero Dawn Complete Edition. You've got the great artwork here of the hero and the creatures, the biomechanical creatures. I intentionally avoided reading anything about this game because it wasn't one of those games that I had to have day one. I knew I was going to wait for it to be on sale. Fantastic that it's rated so highly. 10 over 10 PS Lifestyle, 9.5 out of 10 PS Universe, 9.3 out of 10 IGN, 5 stars from Giant Bomb, 4.5 out of 5 from the Nerdist. I love the fact that it reviews so well. I'm dying to get into the game and play it because I've never actually played it. Really didn't pay too much. It is rated teen. It is from Guerrilla Games. On the side, PS4 logo, Horizon Complete Zero Dawn Edition. On the back, we've got here one of the best open world games of this generation, GameSpot. Hunt deadly machines on a quest to discover your destiny in this critically acclaimed hit, Horizon Zero Dawn, and the epic expansion to Frozen Wild. The complete edition includes Horizon Zero Dawn, the Frozen Wilds expansion, Karha Storm Ranger outfit and Karha Mighty Bow, Karha Trader Pack, Banuk Trailblazer outfit and Banuk Culling Bow, Banuk Traveler Pack, Nora Keeper Pack, digital art book, PS4 theme as well. Internet access required to redeem. Voucher expires 4/20/21. Some gameplay is required to redeem outfits and weapons. So keep that in mind if you're ordering this. If you have a poor internet connection, it might become a problem for you. I don't. I'm lucky enough, knock on wood, I live in there with fiber optics, so my speeds are really good. Lets you know it's deluxe. It's DualShock 4, PS Pro Enhanced. It is one player. You are going to need 49 gigabytes minimum on there. Decima, Blu-ray, Sony Interactive, and so on. And you've got the Amazon barcode. Let's go ahead and swivel it over to the front. Let me pull out my trusty scissors. Start popping open plastic here. It seemed like it popped it immediately. Let's go ahead here. Strip this off. Go ahead and move it over to the side. We're going to use a little movie magic here to check to make sure that I have the codes covered. Please hold. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and pop it open. And boom, there we go. Gotta admit, the disc art isn't fantastic. It's just a Horizon Zero Dawn Complete Edition, PS4, TNSRB, Sony Interactive, the logos and whatnot. It's a lot of what we saw on the outside. Go ahead and pop it over, though, and pull out the disc here, which I'm going to put to the side. We also notice on the left that it does have the PS4 Horizon Zero Dawn Complete Edition. Includes the Comprehend, I don't know what the language that is, the digital art book, PS4 theme. It is French, I think, based on that right there. On the opposite side, you do have the codes and the instructions on how to redeem it. And so, and what I love is, and I have said this before, I love that Sony does this with the exclusive games. They did it with Spider-Man. They did it with God of War this year past. And they did it here with Horizon Zero Dawn. You've got this just magnificent piece of artwork, which is the inside of the actual cover, but you can actually turn it over and put it on the game as if it was the cover. So you actually get some very artistic cover. And, you know, I love that Sony's doing this because I don't need the adverts for the only on PlayStation and so on. I dig having some classy art on the games. It is something that probably later on down the road when I get rid of the PS4, when the 5 comes out or whatever the next gen will be, you could take these out and you can actually frame them. It would actually make quite a really nice piece of art. I think it is very, very cool that they did that with the cover I'll probably flip that around here in a minute when I finally sit down and actually get to play the game. But as we saw, we've got on the left-hand side, aside from that amazing artwork in the back, we've got the download code for the DLC. We've got here the disc, and that is everything that it comes with it. But the amount of DLC content that it comes with, it's great. It's worth it, especially because got lucky. I got it for free, but even at the cost right now, if I remember right, the last flash sale had it on sale for like $17.99. So if you're less of a physical disc person than I am and you want to get the digital copy, it's worth the investment. If you're more like I am, that is a physical disc person, get it on disc. You can get it on Amazon. It's still available out there. Keep in mind, for those of you guys getting it from Amazon, 2 of them show up. There's one that's $32. It's got the UK rating code on it instead of the teeny SRB. That one's selling for like $32, $33, remember right? Then it has this version, which was, like I said, for $24.99. This one's the state version. For some reason, it says complete edition, and the artwork and everything inside of the photos says in the title, but when you read the interior, its description is almost like it's the regular version. I played roulette because of the photos and everything, figured, hey, if it's wrong, I could send it back, but it is the right one, so if you're looking to buy it, I definitely would recommend you guys going on and get it. You know, I can't wait to sit down and get into the game. I'm actually probably going to wander off and go do that now after I upload this video. Well, that's everything that comes with, guys. As always, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Have a great night.